Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see the installation of NS3 with Aquasim in Ubuntu 24.04. So first we have to download NS All-in-One 3.40. Actually the current version is 3.44 which doesn't have any support. So we are going for a 3.40 version. I have just given all the instructions in the description so that you can copy paste in your machine and then you can try it. So first I am downloading this NS All-in-One 3.40. To extract this, I use the command tar jxvf ns-3.40.tar.bz2. So once it is unzipped or decompressed, then cd ns all-in-one -3.40/cd ns 3.40. Now you can first use /ns3 clean. So clean all the thing. Then you can use ns3 /ns3 configure with some parameters. You can paste it, and it will be built with the configuration files. Now after that you can use n./ns3 build. So first thing, without using Aquasim, we are building the ns all-in-one 3.40 first. Now this might take some time, and after that we have to go to the folder cd-src. So the source folder of ns 3.40, where we just use the git clone library from Aquasim, and that can be cloned to your machine within ns3. Then again we have to configure it and we have to build it with the same error configuration and Python bindings. Now again you can use /ns3 build, so that now 103 packages for Aquasim alone will be built now. So now your examples for Aquasim is ready now. Now since it is only a simulation video, so I am not giving any examples. In my next video I will explain the example how it is working. Now one example I have taken is Libra grid test. So that example I am just running it here in the simulation, and this is what I got the simulation output here. So this file generates some trace file also, which can be manually traced later on with the help of some tools or external tools like trace metrics or manual mode of tracing. And here are the instructions. I have just given all this thing in the description window. So Aquasim with NS3 installed successfully. So for me it took nearly around 30 minutes to get the complete installation, but since I cannot have 30 minutes of video, so I just compressed that to less than 5 minutes. So hope you like my video, and I have just given one example also to run it here. So in case if you are trying it, you can try this similar step, and I have given the source link where I have just used the Aquasim, and you can build it. So hope you might have got the output. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and share these videos to your friends, to your scholars, fellow scholars and other PG students, so that they can get benefit out of it. So wait for the next video on Aquasim, some example. I just explain the source code with example, probably only for the member only video. So you can subscribe and join my channel for more such videos. Thank you friends.